Imagine staying in the world's most exclusive destinations where the price tag matches the luxury. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 most expensive travel spots around the globe. Whether it's a tropical paradise or a stunning alpine retreat, these locations offer unforgettable experiences, but they'll cost you. Stick around to see which destination ranks as the priciest, and you might be surprised by what makes it number 1. Starting at number 10, we have Monte Carlo, Monaco, one of the world's most iconic luxury destinations. Known for its glamorous lifestyle, Monte Carlo is famous for hosting the prestigious Grand Prix, attracting the rich and famous to its streets every year. This tiny city-state offers visitors an array of high-end accommodations, with average hotel rates exceeding $1,000 per night for luxury stays. What truly makes this destination costly are its high-end boutiques, gourmet restaurants, and lavish experiences like private yacht charters along the Riviera. At number 9, we have Grand Cayman, Cayman Islands, a tropical paradise that offers some of the most stunning beaches and clear waters in the Caribbean. Grand Cayman is a haven for the elite, with 7 Mile Beach consistently ranked as one of the best beaches globally. Visitors can expect accommodation rates to hover around $1,200 per night for luxury beachfront resorts. And with the array of private villas available, costs can climb even higher. Grand Cayman also offers high-end diving excursions, snorkeling with stingrays, and exclusive dining experiences. With high costs for food, activities, and premium accommodations, Grand Cayman stands out as one of the most expensive Caribbean destinations. Coming in at number 8 is Maun, Botswana, a unique and expensive destination known for its eco-tourism and luxury safaris. Located near the breathtaking Okavango Delta, Maun offers travelers exclusive access to one of Africa's most pristine wildlife environments. Safari lodges here provide high-end accommodations, with daily costs often exceeding $1,000 for premium stays that include private game drives and guided tours. A one-day trip to the Okavango Delta can easily cost over $100 per person, but the experiences, such as close encounters with lions, elephants, and other wildlife, are well worth it. Maun's blend of nature and luxury attracts adventurous travelers who don't mind paying top dollar for a once-in-a-lifetime safari experience. It's a destination where the natural beauty is matched only by the expense of experiencing it up close. Next up at number 7 is Coco Island, Maldives, an island synonymous with secluded luxury. This exclusive destination is known for its overwater bungalows, where guests can enjoy crystal-clear waters right outside their rooms. While specific costs may vary, Coco Island offers one of the most private and luxurious experiences in the Maldives. Visitors can expect accommodation costs to average around $1,200 per night, with more exclusive villas reaching significantly higher prices. The Maldives is also known for its upscale dining, water activities like snorkeling and diving, and rejuvenating beachside relaxation. At number 6, we have London, England, a city that seamlessly blends historical charm with modern luxury. As one of the most visited cities in the world, London offers a vast array of high-end accommodations, with the average hotel rate sitting around $823 per night. London's appeal lies in its rich history, iconic landmarks, and vibrant cultural scene. But it comes at a price. Fine dining in Michelin-starred restaurants and private tours of historic sites all contribute to the high costs of visiting the UK capital. On top of that, daily food costs can reach an average of $128 per person, making London one of the priciest urban destinations. For those who want to explore the city's luxurious side, a trip to London is as exciting as it is expensive. Taking the number 5 spot is Maui, Hawaii, a tropical paradise that offers breathtaking landscapes and luxurious experiences. Maui is famous for its stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and dramatic cliffs, but it's also known for being one of the most expensive Hawaiian islands to visit. Average daily costs for a trip to Maui are close to $1,000, with high accommodation rates for beachfront resorts and private villas. Visitors can enjoy high-end activities such as helicopter tours over the island, exclusive luau's, and private snorkeling excursions. Maui's premium dining scene, featuring fresh seafood and farm-to-table experiences, also adds to the costs. At number 4 is Park City, Utah, a haven for winter sports enthusiasts. Park City is home to some of the most famous ski resorts in the US, and it's particularly known for its high daily attraction costs, which average $333. This, combined with luxury accommodation options that can cost over $1,200 per night, makes Park City one of the most expensive winter destinations. Visitors are drawn to the world-class skiing, snowboarding. Beyond winter sports, Park City offers luxury spas, fine dining, all of which add to the hefty price tag. At number 3, we have Aspen, Colorado, another top-tier winter destination for the wealthy. Aspen is synonymous with luxury, offering some of the finest skiing experiences and high-end accommodations with average rates of $1,385 per night. Celebrities and affluent travelers flock to Aspen not just for the slopes. The town's lively nightlife and après-ski scene are also major draws for those looking to combine adventure with luxury. Aspen's scenic mountain views and outdoor activities make it a top destination year-round, but during the ski season, costs soar. At number 2 is Gstaad, Switzerland, a picturesque village nestled in the Swiss Alps. Gstaad is renowned for its luxury ski resorts, where nightly accommodation rates often reach $1,360, with additional high daily expenses for food and activities. Beyond skiing and high-end Swiss watches, it's also known for its gourmet dining, offering some of the finest Swiss and international cuisine. Gstaad's old-world charm combined with modern luxury attracts royals, celebrities, and billionaires, making it one of the most exclusive winter destinations in the world. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is Gustavia, St. Bart's, the epitome of luxury in the Caribbean. With average nightly accommodations of $1,770, St. Bart's is the most expensive vacation destination on the planet. This tiny island is famous for attracting celebrities and billionaires who seek its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and upscale experiences. Gustavia, the island's capital, gourmet restaurants, and exclusive villas that offer unparalleled privacy. Beyond the beaches, St. Bart's is a hub for yachting, making it a favorite among those who want the best. And there you have it, the top 10 most expensive travel destinations for 2024. Whether you're dreaming of a luxury winter getaway in the Swiss Alps or a tropical retreat in the Caribbean, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content. Let us know in the comments which of these destinations you'd love to visit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.